Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and share this video. So in this video I'm going to show you about this coin GCOIN. You can see on my screen, this is GCOIN. This coin, I saw it on Twitter. So when I saw it on Twitter, I noticed that BitMart said they are going to list the coin. So when BitMart said they are going to list the coin, so I did a little bit of research about the coin. So I noticed that when I did a little bit of research about the coin on the same Twitter, I learned that the coin is planning to list on 5 exchanges, on 5 centralized exchanges, that is CES. So the meaning of CES is centralized exchange. So when coin is planning to list on centralized exchange, so the price of the coin is likely to spike up, and that is what I noticed, because I bought this coin around 0.0, 0.0022. 0.0022. The coin is around 0.0025 now. So this is the current price of the coin, and the market has gone down. So you still have the opportunity to buy the coin now when the market has gone down. So which means that if you position yourself, you can still make profit with this coin. Now, how do I go about buying this coin? Is that I came to after making my research on Twitter, I came to CoinMarketCap. If you don't have CoinMarketCap, download it. Then after downloading CoinMarketCap, create an account. Then you come to this search bar at the top here and search for GCOIN. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So when you come to GCOIN interface like this, so you are going to see overview, community, markets. So what you do is come to market, click on market. Now when I come to market, I notice that this coin is already listed on MEXC exchange. See, it is already listed on MEXC exchange. So what I did was that I went to buy it on this MEXC exchange. So I went to buy it on this MEXC exchange. So I bought it at 0.0022. So that's what I did. So when I bought it at 0.022 on MEXC exchange, I held it. So now you can see that this is BitMart. So I got to know about it on Twitter via BitMart Twitter handle. You can see now it's already listed on weekly. You can see this is weekly exchange, week exchange. You can see this week exchange. So remaining 2 more exchanges to go. So if there are 2 more exchanges to go, so the price might still spike up. The price of the coin might still spike up, because if you look at this 3rd exchange, so you can still buy now either on BitMart or MEXC exchange. I'm going to drop my referral link down this video description, so you can buy on MEXC exchange or GCOIN. So how do you buy it? Is that let me go and open my MEXC exchange. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. if you already buy the coin, you can, if you already have the MEXC exchange, maybe you have already signed up, or you have an account on MEXC exchange, you can go and buy it on MEXC exchange and hold it. Or you have a BitMart account already, you can go and buy it on BitMart and hold it. But if you don't have an account, you can use my referral link below this video to sign up. So when I'm going to open my what, my MEXC. This is my MEXC exchange. So go and download it. You can see, if you don't have, this is MEXC exchange. So this is the app, you can see. So go and download this app, MEXC exchange. So let me open the app so that you can see what I'm saying. So those who are actually buying the coin and holding the coin, they are the ones that are making profit, not those who are trading. I'm not saying there is no profit in trading, but those who are actually making a lot of money on crypto are those who buy and hold for either short, medium, or long time. Yes, those who are actually holding the coin, they are the ones that are making a lot of money in crypto, but they won't tell you the truth. So you are lucky that you are watching my video. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So you can see it is still loading. So let's wait for it to load up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video so that others can also benefit. So I'm still waiting for the video to load up. The network is not, so I don't want this video to be too long. So use my link to sign up. Then after using my link to sign up, you are going to log into your MEXC exchange. So you go to the sports exchange, the sport part of the exchange, as in the sport button. You click on the sport button. You see feature, you go to sports, the sport trading terminal. So you click on the top, you find the coin GCOIN. So you find the coin, which is what, GCOIN. So you must have deposited into your MEXC exchange. You deposit any amount that you want to buy. You can deposit minimum of $10. You can deposit minimum of $10. So you click, so you search for the coin. Click on sports. So click on sports. Then you search for the coin GCOIN /USDT. You must have USDT in your MEXC exchange or BitMart exchange. So when you deposited USDT, so you can start with a minimum of 10 USDT. So the more money you have, the more profit you make. So you click on buy on that spot terminal. You click on buy, then you now buy with the current price. Buy with the current price so that you can hold and make profit. And when you buy, you have to monitor the coin, because I learned that the coin will be listed here. So it's open now, you can see. So you click on, so when it's open now, so it's that it's open. So you click on what, see this trade here. Click on trade, see. So click on trade here. You can see this trade. Click on it. You must have deposited USDT into this exchange. So it's very easy to deposit. Just click on deposit and copy the address, and go and buy, and go and deposit from another wallet or exchange that you have in USDT. So you can see that the price is currently moving up. You can see. So this is the coin. You can see. So this is the coin. So if you are getting value from this, subscribe to my channel, share this video. So this is the coin. This is the coin now. You can see. So go and buy this coin. So you buy it here. So you click on market. You put it in markets. So you put it in market. You see limit. but you buy at the market price currently now. Then you put the market price you want to buy, or you put it by itself. So just click on the amount of USDT you want to buy, then click on buy. Simple as that. So when you click on buy, you are going to see the quantity you bought. If you scroll down, if you scroll up, so you see the quantity you bought here. So you come to this place, see this place, you can see this where the wrote position. So you are going to see it here in the position. This where where the position, you are going to see that. So if you click on that page, so you are going to see how the price of the coin is increasing and the profit you are making. I'm going to see, you can see, click here. So this is very sweet. So let me just click on it, and I will show you. Let me click on it. So you're going to see what I'm saying now. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. You can see what I'm saying now. You can see that currently I have 11.37 USDT. You can see. You can see the percentage increase now. So you can see the price I bought the coin. You can see I bought this coin with $10. $10. So the price of the coin has actually move up. So the more money you deposit, the more profit you're going to make. You can see this. So this is what I'm going to see. You can see. So you can see that I've made a profit of 1.37 USD. So I've made my profit was more than this before because of the price came down. So that was why it is the amount I made is the profit I made is this. So the price is still going to spike up as the coin is listed on that exchange. So don't wait till the coin is, so go and buy and hold now. So the price is still okay. Go and buy and hold now. If you get the value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.